Installation process of link beak type module. In the following video, we will use the Dartboard Nexus that can be matched with this module for demonstration. 1. Remove the rear cover. Firstly, remove all the screws on the rear cover. And then gently open the rear cover. 2. Handle the circuit board. Put the rear cover aside and focus on the green circuit board at the bottom. There is a section of thin film pressure-sensitive circuit connected to this circuit board. At this time, please gently unplug it by hand. 3. Install the link device. Take out the link device. The link device comes with a shorter connecting cable by default. We have provided a longer connecting cable in the packaging box. You can choose the connecting cable of an appropriate length according to your own needs. The following is the method of replacing the connecting cable. Loosen the connecting cable buckle on the circuit board, and you can easily release the connecting cable. In the same way, loosen the connecting cable on the springboard, and then replace the required connecting cable. During this process, make sure to lock the buckle tightly to avoid signal errors caused by inaccurate fixation of the connecting cable. After completing the replacement of the connecting cable, paste the adhesive according to the requirements, and find a suitable position on the empty space of the original product to fix it. Then, insert the thin film pressure-sensitive circuit that was just unplugged into the connecting plate of the link one by one. The packaging is equipped with a connecting wire for the button. Taking the picture as an example, find the two wires corresponding to the button, and connect the wire we provided to these two wires. For the convenience of demonstration, we have pre-welded the two connecting wires here. Attention! This step requires removing the original connector from the original circuit board to avoid signal interference causing the link device not to work, and then insert them into the first socket on the main circuit board. Next, unplug the plug of the right sensor and insert it into the second socket on the main circuit board. In this way, the function transplantation of the button and the invalid partition detection is completed. 4. Connect the Type-C wire. Connect the Type-C wire to the link, and then remove the power connector on the original dartboard, and pass the Type-C wire through this position. 5. Complete the installation. Arrange the wire harness neatly, put the rear cover back on, and then tighten the screws. At this point, the product installation is completed.